Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kemari Reaction. How are you guys doing today? So I'm back again with another reaction video to the group Now United, and this is a music video to their song Wake Me Up. I believe it's an official, like a homemade video that they did. I think this was released a couple months ago, or a couple months ago, which is last year, you know, during the coronavirus. So they decided to do at home music video to the song Wake Up. Yes, Noah.
The damage that I've done to you, I cannot handle. I still taste your perfume in my bedroom, underneath my pillow in my blanket. It haunts me when I sleep at night. Oh God, this ain't what I'm used to. Full stars.
Come on, Bailey. I see you.
See, without you, I wouldn't be the one to fall apart. Oh God, this ain't what I'm used to.
Who's that, Josh? That's Josh? This look like Noah's house. Okay, Josh, I see with the mustache. What? I do. Less like a sheep.
Till the morning comes. Language that I never use, I cannot handle. Talking feelings through, it's just a habit that I can't break or lose. It's
I think those four should do a boy band together. They were a very good boy band.
I just wanna sleep at night. Oh God, this ain't what I'm used to. Full stars, I'm feeling this emotion. I thought I could see without you. I wouldn't be the one to fall apart. Oh God, this ain't what I'm used to. I wanna give it unconditional. Is this a lesson that I'm with you? I don't wanna wake up.
Come on now, United. Wanna wake up, woo! Annie.
Till the morning comes. I don't wanna
Wake up, woo! Wanna wake up.
when you lay there, can you stay there till the morning comes?
Oh, no, I want to go to skating ring.
All I see is you, but it hurts so good. Yeah. When I close my eyes, all I see is you. And I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up.
I don't wanna wake up. Hey. I don't wanna wake up. Hey. I don't wanna go, Josh. You better put your acting skill to the test. You better put his acting skill to the test. Thank you for that. Now United with their music video to the song Wake Up, the homemade video from the group. I really do like that. I really do like this group. Like I said over and over, if this group would have came out when I was in high school, this group would have been a revolutionary type of group. So good job with your groups. Thanks to the ones who recommend me to react to this. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and get to this. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.